Your best picks, best sellers, new arrivals, deal of the day, Fridge Storage Box. Fridge Storage Box. Introducing the Fridge Storage Box, your ultimate solution for organized and efficient refrigerator storage. Designed for those who value both functionality and style, vice versa. Why choose Moom? Safe payment. 7 days return policy. 100% authentic products. Top sellers. Rural essentials, hardware services. Nursery, plants gardening. Farm machinery, tools equipment. Grocery, staples daily essentials. Animal husbandry aquaculture. Rural homemade foods beverages. Dairy, eggs, meat fish. Rural to urban, every need, one smart platform. गांव से शहर तक, हर ज़रूरत एक ही जगह. Welcome to Moom, India's fastest growing digital marketplace connecting farmers, vendors, and customers. From agriculture, horticulture to home essentials, digital goods, and lifestyle products, Moom brings everything to your fingertips. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or service provider, Moom empowers you with a seamless experience, smart shopping, instant payments, and doorstep delivery. Join our thriving community of farmers, access premium resources, and expand your market reach. Moom is more than just an app, it's a digital revolution transforming the way India shops, sells, and connects. Download the Moom app today and unlock a world of possibilities. Experience the future of commerce with Moom, where convenience meets community, and every transaction is a step towards a digitally empowered India. Moom is dedicated to revolutionizing the way you engage with the market. Farmers can effortlessly showcase their produce to a wide audience, vendors can expand their reach beyond geographical boundaries, and customers can enjoy the convenience of doorstep delivery for all their needs. With a user-friendly interface and secure payment options, Moom ensures a smooth and reliable experience for everyone. Stay connected with the latest trends, exclusive deals, and community events. Moom is not just an app, it's a lifestyle, empowering you to thrive in the digital age. Download Moom today and be a part of the transformation. Smart marketplace for every Indian home, हर भारतीय घर के लिए smart marketplace. Moom connects Indian farmers, businesses, and households, integrating rural communities into the digital economy. We empower entrepreneurs with secure payments, verified sellers, and reliable delivery, offering diverse products from produce to crafts. Moom bridges rural-urban divides, creating opportunities and ensuring access to quality goods, strengthening India's economy. Moom supports local communities, sustaining success for farmers and artisans. Secure transactions ensure quality and directly benefit sellers, offering India's cultural heritage. With Moom, you invest in India's brighter future. Moom empowers rural India digitally, providing education and training. Join Moom to shape rural India's future, building a stronger, inclusive nation. Moom ensures customer satisfaction with a user-friendly interface and reliable services. We simplify connecting with local sellers and supporting rural growth. Moom showcases seller stories, supporting their aspirations and celebrating diversity. Moom promotes sustainability and responsible consumption, encouraging eco-friendly practices. Shop Moom and support a sustainable India. Explore the Moom marketplace, empowering farmers, vendors, customers together, किसानों, विक्रेताओं और ग्राहकों को एक साथ सशक्त बनाना. Moom connects farmers, vendors, and customers in a fair, transparent, and sustainable marketplace, bridging rural and urban India through technology and trust. We empower farmers and artisans with a digital presence, allowing customers to trace products to their origin, ensuring quality and supporting local communities. Choose Moom to invest in India's future. Every purchase tells a story of dedication and strengthens our connection to the source. We champion conscientious consumerism, empowering informed spending and celebrating rural Indian traditions. Moom offers small businesses digital tools and curated, authentic products for customers seeking organic, handmade, or artisanal goods, all ethically sourced. We prioritize transparency, providing product origin and impact information to build trust. Join the Moom revolution to support local communities and a better future for India. Empower together, एक साथ सशक्त बने. Get started, शुरू करें. About us. Mokambika Ventures Moom platform revolutionize agriculture by directly connecting farmers with suppliers and buyers, eliminating intermediaries. This provides farmers with broader market access, fair pricing, and vital information like market trends and weather forecasts. Efficient logistics ensure fast delivery and secure transactions. Moom's comprehensive product range makes it a reliable one-stop shop. Farmers can make informed decisions and increase profits using Moom, which is more than just a platform, it's a community supporting sustainable business growth and a better future. Moom is committed to sustainability, promoting eco-friendly practices that protect the environment. It offers resources to support sustainable agriculture, reduce environmental impact, promote biodiversity, conserve water, and minimize harmful chemicals. Moom believes sustainable farming benefits both the planet and business, ensuring a stable and prosperous future for farmers and their communities by enabling a holistic approach that balances economic success with environmental stewardship.